I don't know how well you'll be able to see this, but right now, Mark is picking his flaming fro. That is like one huge ball of static electricity. He might be dangerous.
Yeah.
Considered a lethal weapon in some states.
He's getting an Acker syndrome. Trouble shoes.
Vote back and see if you think that my brother looks Amish. Mark, give him a full headshot smile. Gotta see the chin. Write comments back and say if you think that he looks Amish. I think it's the beard. I don't know any redheaded Amish people. Maybe that's a stereotype, but oh well. Later.